name's Aaron Gallagher, based out of Strzelecki in South Gippsland, Victoria. Primarily a fencing contractor, on and off for about 15 years. The equipment I'm running, I ordered through Kinghitter, was the Series 2i 450 with the Dominator Base and mast shift. So first came across Kinghitter when I was about 19, and more recently became curious as to what Kinghitter were doing now when I spent a handful of years operating another brand of driver that I wasn't 100% satisfied with. Probably one of the biggest features on these that I love is the safety mechanism. It doesn't impede your work. It's literally pull the panel in front of you and a dead man switch allows you to operate the hydraulics. When that's closed, it disengages your panel and you can't drop that hammer on anything or anyone. It's brilliant. The post cap sits below the dolly, essentially enables you to steer the post trajectory as you're driving. So there's no more using a pinch bar and a chain like great-great-grandfather. You can steer it into the ground using hydraulics. It's a lot easier, safer. With the old systems, I've had near misses, catching hips and things with, it's great to get rid of that altogether. Yeah. It's known there's a little bit of conjecture around cable, free weight drivers. Very economical way of lifting a weight. Simple to maintain, but when that weight's up, when it drops, it's as efficient kinetic energy as you could create. Another feature I love about these are the ability for the dolly to actually belt a post pretty much ground level. I do put a foot in for a traditional stay. Previously I'd be limited. I could only ram in 600-700 at best. It'd be above ground. You're trimming that off. Wastage there, so I can belt these right in and they're never going to move. It's great. Versatility was what I was after. 25 degrees movement each way. You've essentially got two top links that'll send it, twice as far to the rear as a competitor. Your post rammer's doing the positioning rather than your tractor positioning the post rammer. Initially, like sales, young Jack, he's been fantastic to deal with. Product guidance, like you come in with these more technical bits of equipment a little bit almost anxious because there's a bit more going on than you're sort of used to, so very clear cut, concise information. There is usability knowledge there. It's not just sales trying to flog you something. This is how this works and this is why. The mechanisms, like I say, simple, effective, they're great. Yeah, I'd recommend them to anyone.